How to withdraw money on Crypto Guru. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can withdraw money from the Crypto Guru app. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So first of all, you may just launch the Crypto Guru application on your device and you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So you might notice a balance displayed on your screen, and it's crucial to know that this balance is virtual, which means it can't be transferred or done anything with it, which is basically a fake money that you are using, as Crypto Guru functions as a trading simulator that is designed to practice and not for real transactions. So you are not able to transfer the money, and it is used to mimic the trading experience without any financial risk. So whenever you are using this app, you are not able to do any kind of transactions. It is only virtual. You may just go on with the process of learning how you can go do the trading experience, how you can trade, cryptocurrency and everything. That's basically what you're gonna learn from the app. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.